So here we go. We're going to do a little bit of ecology. Somebody on site brought this into me. And we have a little kingfisher. Hey buddy, what you doing? So I'm going to monitor him overnight, see how he goes, and then transport him to a carer in the morning. Just going to make sure that he's all good. I'll take him out shortly and check that his wings are all good. He's got no damage. And that way he can be looked after and rehabilitated. So yeah, there's another aspect of my job. Okay. Have a look at him there. Hey buddy. Let's cross fingers he survives. Cheers.